User Group. And as many of you know, we meet about once or twice a month at the moment, and we tend to move from one organization to the next, which is also always quite interesting to see how different organizations exist and what their drinks look like, and their food, and their kitchen, and it's a way for organizations to show what their environment is like, and potentially why you might want to work there. And as always, we have great speakers. As Ryan mentioned, we've been experimenting with 2 speakers and 4 speakers, and we thought 2 is too few maybe. To make it dynamic, and 4 is maybe too many. We've had quite a few with 4, which ended up being quite hectic for especially the speakers. So 3 might be the right balance. So if you would like to be a speaker in an upcoming meetup, please let us know. There is an email address that many of you know, because in the last few days you've been approached to send your details for registration here. AmsterdamJUG@googlegroups.com. Just write there and say, hey, I'd like to talk about something, or we're hosting, we'd like to host. If you have a room like this that can hold about 60, 70 people, then we'd love to come and visit your organization as well. What is special about this is this particular event. It's a repeat idea from 2 years ago, when we also met here at Uber, and Shako was one of the speakers. We had a bunch of speakers, and it was also organized together with the Friends of OpenJDK community. So there's the Amsterdam JUG, which is specifically Amsterdam, but there is also something called FUJ, which stands for Friends of OpenJDK. And there's a website, there's a Slack channel, and it's an international network. And if you want to make connections with people around the world, this is a great place to be. And to celebrate that, there are stickers, which I will pass around to put on your laptop. So we pass them around, take 1 or 2 stickers and stick them on your laptop. And join the community. You can post articles on this website. You can share tips and tricks. You can talk about events, share information, and contribute to the international community around OpenJDK. So with that, we're switching over to, unless there are any announcements or things to talk about,